Your friend for the VLSI design test subject matter. For the unit 1, which is MOSFET transistor theory, we calculate MOSFET parameters and determine inverter characteristic by applying transistor theory to the circuit layouts.
Yes, you're calculating some parameter and applying the knowledge. Fine. Next, sir. Next one, unit 2.
Unit 2 is the CMOS technology, madam. For that, apply CMOS fabrication knowledge to determine the process, the impacts, and calculate and find out the solution for latch prevention.
Wonderful. Very nice. You are applying and again computing some parameter. Yes. Next, unit 3.
Unit 3 is for data path systems and the array of subsystems. For that, we are computing the arithmetic and logic operation to apply for a data path subsystems and to elucidate the working of various memory array functionalities.
Okay. It may be right. Next one, unit 4.
Unit 4 is for Verilog hardware description language. We are going to apply various Verilog HDL constructs to calculate various logic outputs and determine the structured models while using digital building blocks.
Very nice. Next one, unit 5.
CMOS chip design. For that, it's apply CMOS design flows to compute the various trade-off and calculate the resource usage and determine the suitable or programmable logic structures.
Very well. All the competency indicators are very well defined. Now, please state the course outcome. Course outcome
Yes,
to CO2.
yes, ma'am.
CO2 that gets mapped to PO1. CO2.
It's like apply CMOS and MOS transistor theory to compute and calculate device or circuit parameters, determine data path and subsystem functionalities using Verilog, efficient ASIC, and programmable logic.
Very well defined and very good example. It's a good example. It was a little bit lengthy, but it is fine. Absolutely fine. You're covering all the 5 units and you are addressing the ability to apply knowledge. It's a very good example. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. GC, they have already done earlier. Let's go to another. We want to cover all the centers.
Okay.
We have taken GC Road for another PO earlier. So